Alright, hi, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn how to record a voiceover inside the Premiere Pro. Alright, let's get started. We are inside of the Adobe Premiere Pro and I'm currently on the audio workspace. Alright, so to do that, to make sure that we are on the same page, click on audio at the top to get the workspace. And if not, if you can't find it, you can go to window, click on workspace and click on audio. I also recommend that you go to Window, Workspaces, and click on Reset to Save Layout. All right, to make sure that if you make any changes on your timeline or panel, it will be on the default settings. All right, cool. So before we start, we need to so if you want to record a voiceover inside of the Adobe Premiere Pro, you can do it. But first of all, we need to set up the Premiere Pro settings to set up what mic you're gonna use. Okay, what mic you will going to use. All right, so to do that, let's go to Premiere Pro at the top, click on Preferences, click on Audio Hardware. All right, so it says here default input. Click on input, and then I'm using the H series stereo track USB audio, so I'm gonna click on this, and device changes can modify channel mappings, input assignments, and affect playback or recording. Currently underway. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay. All right, click OK. All right, click OK. All right, now we are on the audio workspace. All right, so to record a voiceover inside Adobe Premiere Pro, all we have to do is to click on the mic sign. All right, so make sure that the mute and the solo button is not turned on or enabled. All right, so make sure it's not enabled. There's no color in it, and there's not enabled, anything like that. All right, so let's choose the audio one here, audio one, to put our voiceover track. So to do that, I will click on the voiceover record. All right, like that. Cool. So right now, I'm gonna record my voice. This is testing, testing, testing. This is recording the voice over inside Adobe Premiere Pro using my USB mic that was attached on my computer. Testing, testing, testing. All right, once done, all you have to do is to click on the mic sign again, and there you have it. This is the audio now that you have. All right, let's try to mute this to music, and let's try to play this music or audio. This is testing, testing, testing. This is recording the voice over. There you go. Now it's recorded our voiceover inside the timeline of Adobe Premiere Pro.